Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm at the Peyia Beer Festival today on Saturday. It's a 3-day event that's running from Friday to Sunday, and I thought I'd come down on Saturday so you can see what it's like, and if you like what you see, you can come down on Sunday, because this film will go out Sunday lunchtime. There's all sorts of entertainment to go with the beer and all the street food they've got here, so I'll walk through and we'll just have a look. I probably won't do too much talking to the music. Doing some Greek dancing as well. Now I did a preview of this on Facebook. Which went out yesterday, where I met Konstantinos, the organiser. He explained what's going on. I'll also launch the drone up when it gets a little bit darker. Peyia beer. Let's go and have a look at the dancing. Look at that in a bit. Hello. There's Walkabouts. They got big glasses if you want to try those out. And this is the Milieu Brewing Company. I'm intrigued by them because Milieu's just down the road from us. Not many people queuing up for Coke yet. Turkey Mum IPA and Polish beer. Hello. More dancing. I'll come back this way now, I think. Oatmeal stout, that humour stuff is. Cinnamon. I think it's mainly food over here. There's the DJ. Now this screen they got up here is where they're going to have the World Cup shown tomorrow night. So if you're wondering about where you can watch it, well, come down here and have some music as well and lots of beer. I'll get a bit of a sunset. Oh, the food smells good. Oh, that hot dog you had looked good too. I haven't had tea yet either. Ali's pizzas. Oh, this one looks interesting. brisket sandwich. Oh. That looked good. They got a good turnout, nearly all the seats taken. They got these chimneys and Mexican street food. Oh, there you go, tacos, free tacos for €10. A little basketball net. There's a free bouncy castle for the kids. And there's a famous Greek band. I can't tell you the name of them because my musical taste and knowledge stopped in the mid-90s with Britpop. But anyway, they're playing tonight and it's going to go on till 1 AM tonight, and there'll be 1 AM tomorrow as well. It starts at 6. And someone was asking on Facebook where it is. It's Ayashiorge's Harbour. If you don't know where that is, you basically get the road from Paphos to Coral Bay and you keep going past Coral Bay all the way. And you'll be directed where to park when you get here, and then you'll pay your €10 admission. You could have had 3 days for €25 to see all the routes, but on a Sunday it'll just be the 1 day, and for that you'll get entrance to see all the music, and you get a free beer glass as well. You know, a ceremonial one with a proper sticker on it and everything. Okay, which is over there. What I'm going to do now, I think, is launch the drone up, so we'll get a nice view of the festival from above. Especially as the sun's just about set, so the lighting should be perfect. So here's the festival from above. Quite humid now down here. Mind you, I am stood still flying a drone, so. I'll do 2 loops, I think, and the first one will be regular view, then I'll zoom in. It's a beautiful location. I don't think the dancers are on duty at the moment. In this humidity, I can understand why they had to have a break. I'm pleased they got a decent turnout, because this is the first of its kind here, and I imagine they're wanting to make it an annual event. at this time of the evening you can get some very dramatic shots. Focus on the beer festival though. There's Paphos restaurant in the distance. So I'll be sure to get this film out for Sunday lunchtime, so you'll still be able to come to the Sunday Beer Festival. And as I said, it runs from 6 PM to 1 AM, and there'll be more bands playing there. And it's well worth attending. It's got a good crowd in, and it's not harming any turtles. Anyway, I'll zoom up, and as it's at A.S. George's Harbour, I'll have a final look of the post-sunset sky with the lovely chapel and the orange skies. What a perfect location for an event like this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Do try and get here tomorrow if you can, or today actually that'll be, won't it? And I'll see you in the next film. Cheers!